Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Head Teachers Assembly. Now, have a look at the date that I've got, Wednesday, the 11th of November. Today is a very special and important day. Just a quick check. Year 6, have you got that reflection book ready? It is your chance to tell us what you have learnt about the assembly and what you've learnt from the assembly today. So, the 11th of November, Remembrance Day. So the assembly today is all about poppies, which hopefully you will be making in your classrooms today, and remembering. And we're going to explore that when we remember things, that stirs up various emotions and feelings. So, how much can you remember? Today, we're going to have a little go at working out how great our memories are. Okay, you ready for this? What did you do as soon as you got out of bed? You need to have a think. And teachers, if you pause it, we'll do a Kagan game, think, pair, share. So the children, you're going to think of the answer. Then, with your partner, when the teacher tells you to, you will share your answer. What did you do as soon as you got out of bed? Next one. What did you eat for breakfast? Pause it, think, pair, share. How did you feel when you got to school this morning? Think, pair, share. Pause it. What did you do on Saturday afternoon? Think, pair, share. Teachers, pause. What did you eat on Sunday? Think, pair, share. Pause it. How about last week? Did that get a bit trickier? Absolutely. Memories. So the further back in time events happen, it does get a little bit more difficult, a little bit tricky to remember things that have happened a long time ago. So we're going to play a game. Are you ready for this? Sitting comfortably. Okay. So I'm going to give you some words and you have to remember what event it is. So you ready? Thumbs up? Okay, here we go. Time to play. Okay. Garden, fire, burgers. What event is that? That's right. It's a barbecue. Ready for the next one? Okay. We've got this. Sunshine, ice cream, shells, and sand. Did you think of the seaside or the beach or a holiday? Friends, parcels, balloons, cake. What does that make you think of? That's right, a birthday. So fun times, they are really great times. And they happened a while ago, but we remember them because they were great fun. And happy things tend to stay in our memories for a long time. We remember the good things. But sometimes things happen, memories are sad, and they stay in our minds for a while too. So we're going to have a look at your poppy, okay? So you may know what the purpose of the poppy is, but basically it helps us remember the World War, when people from our country and across the world went and fought in the First World War. And we know that the war went on for a very long time. In actual fact, 4 long years. Many soldiers died and many sadly didn't come home. Now, understandably, their families and friends were very sad because they were fighting for the future of our country and they were very brave. And so we want to think of a way to remember those soldiers and the families for what they gave up and what they did for our country. So the 11th November was selected as the special day for remembering all those fallen soldiers. And that was when the special agreement to end the First World War in 1918 ended. Okay, and that was later renamed as Remembrance Day. Now, to represent that day and show how important it is, people wear the red poppy. And that's because thousands of red poppies actually grew up on the battlefields of where many soldiers sadly lost their lives in the First World War. So you can see a picture there, can't you, of a poppy field? Well, let's have a little think. And reflect about those soldiers that gave up their lives for our future. Now, unfortunately, we know that there was another terrible war, and it was the Second World War. And so the 2-minute silence that was originally on the 11th of November was moved onto the second Sunday in November. And that was then when Remembrance Sunday was set up. So on Remembrance Sunday, we remember the servicemen and women who fought and died in the 2 world wars. We also remember people in the armed forces who have sadly died since the Second World War. Now, normally we would go to parades and have special services, and you'll often see that there'll be wreaths of poppies laid there to remember the fallen heroes. Okay, so at 11 o'clock today, we are going to be having our 2 minutes silence. Now, during this silence, I want you to look at your poppy, okay? I want you to think about why that poppy is really, really important to us. By everybody wearing a red poppy, we are remembering together. So although we can't physically be together at the moment because of COVID, we can still mark this important day by wearing our red poppy, 2 minutes, silence, and we are all remembering together. You may also have heard of the last post, and I'm sure if your teachers have got time, they will play this for you so you can hear this significant tune. Okay, and now with our prayer, so if you want to join in, hands together, eyes closed. Dear God, thank you for the many happy memories that we have. We are sorry that some people have sad memories at this time of year, as they remember those who died for our country. May we wear our red poppies with love and compassion, and may we remember and be thankful. Amen. And you might want to spend a little bit of time refreshing yourselves on our school prayer. So you can say that together as a class. Now, enjoy Remembrance Day, enjoy making your poppies, but most important of all, do not forget how important they are. The poppies celebrate the lives of those soldiers that have fallen. They gave their lives for our future. And from me, it's over and out for now. Bye-bye.